Hey guys, so I got another update for you. The template is now plywood. So I did manage to get that cardboard template out in the garage, traced it out, cut it out, sanded it down, and brought it back in, and I'm actually really surprised with how it turned out. I really like this a lot more than that cardboard template. Probably because that cardboard was getting really raggedy after I had drawn on it, scribbled on it, erased it, taped it, got schnibbles from the pencil stuck underneath the tape. It was really starting to get gross, but even this angle that I was so concerned about over here turned out really good. I'm happy with it. It's awesome, and it's really nice to have something solid to work on again too, so I'll be excited about that for the next few weeks before I actually get that good wood that you'll see in some of the clips here glued together, traced out, and the final product done. But yeah, so it took a lot more effort than I thought it was going to, as the rest of the project sort of shows you as well. But it was about 4 hours all said and done, and I am really sore. I mean, I put my blood, sweat, and thankfully no tears, but maybe that's coming, hopefully not, but we'll see, into this thing, and it's really starting to turn out, so I'm super excited about it. I hope you guys are too. I took a time-lapse video. If you're interested, let's go ahead and watch that now. If not, you can skip ahead and we'll come back here for the conclusion. Okay, so I am really happy with how it turned out. There is a little bit of work left to do on it too. For instance, when I was sanding this down, it was tough to get that exactly perpendicular, so I might need to go back. We'll see. I'm not exactly sure how that router bit is going to work on there, but that's something we'll have to take in stride as it comes. Also, some of these sections turned out a little bit thinner and a little bit thicker than in other areas. So I'll just have to, you know, go back in either with the jigsaw, hopefully not the jigsaw, but at least with the sander and get those to match up. But actually, I'm really surprised with how these straight sections turned out. They really pair up pretty well with each other. All the angles are spot on. And I was totally not expecting that. So that was a pleasant surprise when I got it in here. But I'm stoked. This is great. The next step is, you know, fine tune this just a little bit. There's way less work to do on this than there was on that cardboard template when I first had that. So we're in great shape there. But the next step is to make some legs for this, and then we'll glue the good wood together, trace it out, and then we'll pretty much be done. So yeah, just a few more steps. But if you're into this sort of thing, I'll be making more videos. Hope you enjoy them. It's been a lot of fun for me. But I guess until then, we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.